LA City 911, operator 700.
Yes, there's a guy walking on Vanalden and Sherman Way, and he has a firearm.
Okay, give me a description of this man. Is he white, black, Hispanic, or Asian?
I think he's Hispanic.
Okay. About how?
He's wearing a sweatshirt with a hoodie.
What color is that sweatshirt, ma'am?
It was like a dark gray.
Dark gray.
He's
You know?
still on the street.
Okay. He's walking, or is he just standing in front of a business?
He's walking.
Okay. You know what color pants and shoes he's wearing, or you didn't see?
It was dark.
Dark.
It was dark. Maybe jeans, but they were dark.
Okay. And did he threaten anyone with it, or where does he have it? Just holding it in his hand, or
No,
in his waistband?
I was driving next to he pulled it. Came out of the car, and then he had the gun in his hand.
Okay.
And he shot. I don't know if it was a real bullet or not, but he shot it, and then he put it in his pants.
Okay, so there was a shot that was fired.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Okay, and do you want to remain anonymous or leave your name and phone number? And do you know if he hit anyone?
No. Nah, I don't think so.
Okay.
I'm anonymous.
Okay, I'll send an officer out there, okay?
Okay, thanks.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.
Sherman Way, Nadia, vector for Vanalden. It says that Sherman.
Put down the gun! Down the gun!
Oh, yes, I'll send you details when I have it Sherman Way. For containment, Sherman Way, Nadia, vector for Vanalden. It says that Sherman.
Put down the gun! Down the gun!
Oh, yes, I'll send you details when I have it Sherman Way.
Down, the gun is about 10 yards away from him right now. 10 yards away from him.
Get on the PA and get this guy off of the way.
Subject is down. The weapon is 10 yards from the suspect.
Get out of the way! You in the building!
Hey, can you get this guy? Get this guy to turn? Voice it. Just voice it. Stay there, but just voice it. Put down the gun! Get out! He's down!
the weapon is 10 yards from the suspect.
Get out of the way! You in the Buick! Was that the suspect there? 10L20, do you have eyes on the suspect there?
Hey guys, he's moving around a little bit. He's going to be hand-based movement towards that firearm still. You guys want to make your approach? I have a gun in hand right now.
Where's the gun? 10L20 to airship, where is the weapon and where's the suspect exactly?
Hey, the suspect is on the sidewalk. I have officers that are pointing their guns at him. The gun is
We're going to approach with this team right here. Come here, hustle up.
You got to do it now.
10L20, Roger. I've got this team. I'm approaching. All other officers on the perimeter. I'm bringing a team up to approach. Approach now! Now! Move! Get up and take him into custody now! Take him into custody now!
Somebody is taking a team in for approaching.
I got the gun. Lock him up.
They're making contact with taking him in custody.
I realize they're making contact, taking suspect into custody.
I got it. 10L20, you show code 4, the suspect's in custody. I need an RA to respond to my location here for a male Hispanic.
Where's the gunshot wound?
He's conscious and breathing. He's approximately 35 to 40 years old, suffering from one gunshot wound.
And my med kit?
And
In the trunk? Left side.